Don't be afraid. After the darkness is light. So don't you be afraid. When it comes the long night. Have faith, journey along. If you don't know, the path is long. But if you try, you'll surely grow. To heal past the sorrow that been keeping you low. You low, so grow, 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 you got to grow, 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 even if you're wrong, you're wrong. Even if you can't find your way. Even if the journey is cold. Believe in love today. And I know that you will grow day by day. If you walk with love, you'll never be astray. Just grow, 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 grow. You got to grow, 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 grow. You got to gotta grow past these shortcomings. And slowly and surely, we'll make it through.